As you're aware that border issue is a very complicated issue. So obviously, continuous talks are required, and therefore formal, informal meetings are being held at different levels. So there's a very sincere effort being made on part of both the governments to at least arrive to some kind of a conclusion in the first 6 sectors that we have selected in the first phase. So today also we had a unofficial meeting because of the points we had mentioned last time. We're trying to improve on those, and so with that intention, we met the Chief Minister today, and we've gone into more details. Some more studies are being done by both the sides, both the governments. So it's a process, and therefore, really, we cannot give any kind of conclusive remarks at this point in time. But my point is that sincere efforts are being made, and we are working overtime to find a solution, at least to some of the issues that are pending. One cannot say that that in one meeting we resolve things. It's a continuous process, and it's a very complicated issue. So therefore, small details, villages, population, area, contiguity, so many factors are there involved in this, and therefore, and it has to be done in a way that is we carry everybody along. So you need to continuously meet stakeholders, share with them the discussions that are taking place. So one cannot just simply say that it's the last meeting or the first meeting. As I said, the process will continue till we are able to find a solution.
Sir, last time you mentioned that both governments are going to share the details. So
We have shared.
in today's meeting, what was the discussion, and then what did you decide?
No, what the discussion was, that's something that will not be appropriate for me to share right now. As I said, it's a part of the process of trying to come to a conclusion. But the reports are being made by both the states, and I'm sure that within the next couple of days, the reports will be submitted by the departments to the states, and then we will once again sit down and then discuss those issues and see if we can move forward with those reports that are.
And going to the Union Home Minister.
We will see. Yeah, we will see. Our intention is there. Our desire is there to try to find some solution before the 21st. But as I said, that does not mean that we will just simply rush into it. We will do our due diligence, and we will ensure that we carefully examine every aspect, and and we'll try to do something before 21st. And if it does happen and we do agree on some aspects, then we will move to Delhi and we will share the information, because it is the entire process started with the intervention of the Home Ministry, where they had urged us to find a solution to this long pending demand,
So we couldn't,
long pending issue.
we couldn't find, difference between the previous meeting and today's meeting. Can you just share what
Yeah,
is the
because-
difference last time and this time?
I can't tell you that, as I said, because it's a process. So we are going into details, and every detail, every village is being discussed. So whenever some more information comes in, we keep discussing about that. So as I said, sharing the process right now would not give you the right picture of things. Only the end result in the report when it comes out, that will give you the picture.